let's go, let's go, let's go. Yo. Ladies and gents of the jury, my name is Zanrith. We are rolling. We are on a 0 SRS, I believe it is. And we are right, left, right, left. He's going to be over here. I'm going to be over here. And we are right. Okay, so we are on a 0 SRS. This is eco mode on this. Standard. Right. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, you guys are going to pick which side you want. Come on. All right. 0 SRS. It's a pretty much fully fared motorcycle. Not fully, but almost fully fared. It's got a windscreen, which hit me right in the face. We are in, oh shoot, I changed the mode on myself. My bad there, rider group. This guy gonna switch sides. I'm staying staggered with this guy. Yeah, if you want to move over, move over. Now that you guys are staggering. There you go. Now we're good. We're staggered now, and I'm back in my riding place. All right. So what are we doing? We are on a demo ride presented by Moto Z out of Elma, New York, which is a nice motorcycle company I've been down to a couple times. Bought some stuff from them, and they had some electric motorcycles to try. So today we are on the electric motorcycle, and we are having a terrible time, as you can tell. So the best part about these electric motorcycles is they're quiet, there's no vibration. The bad part is there's quiet and there's no vibration. Personally, I'm not sold on these yet because of the ability of my bike to go faster right now and have more range. But I love the way that they're coming out. I love everything else about them. And I hate this handle on the right, this control. It's like angled really far back. And I'm not really a fan of it. What's up, dude? So here we go. I'm gonna let this guy do his thing, even though I want to rip this corner. So it's I don't know if the technology is called fly-by-wire or what, but it's an electronic throttle. There's no gearing. How you doing? Kicking rocks at me. Yeah, thanks for that one. They're just blockers, so we're good. Still gonna look. So the good news is we've got a teeny bit of regenerative braking on these bikes too. So my range will be, I gotta stop doing that. I keep trying to change the mode. So we're gonna get a little bit of battery power. I think I'm on a 14.4. I didn't really look at the bike much. I just went with, I haven't ridden that one before and I want to. So we'll do it. Give the Triumph guy some room. I want to shift. That's my problem. We're good. The cool thing is about these, the other cool thing I like, besides that they're so quiet and they're neat, is that the, like when you're on a normal bike, and the guy just explained this to us a better way than I could do it, but like, you know, when you're on a normal bike doing your slow maneuvers, and you're using the throttle, the clutch to kind of do your slow maneuvers and not really do too much, like, too jerky moves. With this, there's a grab point in the throttle, just the way you twist it. And I know my motorcycles all have this too, where like there's a small space, not space. There's a small like dead zone in the throttle for where before the gas actually kicks in and you actually get some acceleration. So yeah, that's because like for this, you just kind of find that sweet spot in the throttle, and that gives you your on and off. And when you're off, you're regenerating a teeny bit of battery life, so that's cool too. But I don't think when you're regenerating battery life, the brakes are coming on, like the brake light. So I keep grabbing the brake light and just barely touching it because I can. Yay, off-roading. So this is gonna be a terrible first ride because I'm kind of half awake. It's early in the morning and I did not have my coffee yet. But so far so good on this. There you go. I was giving you. Our blockers are doing their blockery stuff. Oh, they're getting up there to block the side street so we can keep going. I get it. I get it. We're rolling through as a group. We're rolling through as a group. Just keep going. Got it. So the little electric hum's pretty cool too. No clutch, no shift. Just oh, we're gonna stop for this one. That sucks. Yeah, buddy. It's really not a comfortable position here to do this. What else? Brakes are really nice on it, front and back. There's no biases. There's no combined braking. So you've got full front and rear braking, different from each other, which is nice because then you get that motorcycle feel to it. But there's none of that centrifugal force. Maybe is that the term where like you feel the engine moving, you kind of feel the engine swaying you back and forth a bit. Oh, they're gonna pull us over to do. I'll probably change our modes. I'm in sport mode already. Probably shouldn't be in that, but whatever. Yeah, we're definitely changing the modes here. I'll be like, yeah, okay, sport mode. Cool. Yeah, so it's got different modes: rain, canyon. It's got a sport mode of sorts. It's got, what else has it got? Standard mode, eco mode. There we go. Change it over to sport mode. Where we're going to get, so what they were saying back there, and I don't know if you guys picked any of that up. Difference between sport mode and canyon mode is, well, one, traction control is definitely different. I've got a sport traction where with canyon I had street, which was neat. But the other cool thing is in sport mode, when you let off the throttle, you don't get that regeneration as much. You get, you just get like free wheel spin. So I'm gonna try that. Yeah, definitely can feel the torque on this thing. Trying not to pass this guy, even though I just want to fly past him. So I'm gonna switch it back to canyon mode if I can find it quick, because they said we'd be getting more regeneration on it. So we're gonna, yeah, the regen button went way up already on that. So okay, so that's the difference really between eco or between sport and canyon mode, is the regen ability of it. They said this torque's supposed to be double what I was in eco mode, which is nice. I mean, it's great to have eco mode for. You could have moved over, buddy. Eco mode for like new riders, but sport mode's where I'd be at like all the time, and I'd be just eating through. Holy hell, that thing does go pretty nice. I'm also not like leaning into it because you don't hear the engine rev up, so you're not like feeling it. pacing the guy in front of me. But yeah, I was talking to the gentleman in the Triumph in front of me while we were stopped there, and my handlebars are definitely messed up. I was trying to get my feet up. Didn't work. Yeah, coming downhill like this, the regen kicks in. That's neat to see that, at least, because you can at least see that you're regenning something. Yeah, that was neat. A little flyby. You would think for electric motorcycles these would all be LED turn signals, though. But, you know, whatever. So, upright riding position, more than your leaned over Super Sport, which this is no Damon motorcycle. I'm not too sold on the mirror position down there. They're kind of, I don't know. They're okay, but I'm getting a lot of the side of me. I also didn't adjust them for myself, so that's a big difference. The screen is cool, though. It's got like a, I'm pretty sure it's a, just a rip-off of a KTM, which I'm fine with. Okay, got went a little wide there. Where's the wind hitting me though? 70. It's a neat amount of power off the top. Like, it just comes on quick, but I mean, I'm not fully sold on these just because of the range, but they are really neat. I think, you know, with technology improvements through the years, these are going to become what we end up riding, I think, in the long run. There may always still be a need for fuel, like fossil fuels, but I think the need will become less in the just based on the technology and the way we're going, or that, or we'll just, you know, implode the country one or the other. Bet you can't wheelie this. No, I bet you can. What else? What else do I want to talk about this bike, guys? I really don't know. The windscreen, I don't know. I feel like the wind's coming right and hitting me right in the forehead. So, like, I am too tall for this windscreen, or it's adjustable, or it's like it's made for shorter people, or I got to tuck down. I don't know. I feel like it's hitting me right in the forehead, right above the visor, and really kind of pushing my head back when we get up to 70 miles per hour. Obviously, a longer ride, I'd be able to determine that, but whatever. We're rolling in, we're rolling in, we're rolling in. Let's put it in different modes, see what happens. Rain mode, eco mode, standard. Sport is the only one with sport traction control, where canyon has that regen mode. That's probably because when you're in the canyons, you're doing a lot more twisties than, you know, you're doing left, right, so it helps speed you down, slow you down. I think I'm going to tell somebody when we get back about this, because this thing is really out of place for me. It's really down here. You really got to reach for things, where I'd prefer for this way up here. But whatever, we'll get there. I really hope I'm recording this. If not, it's going to be a waste of time again. Well, this is my Saturday, and for those of you wondering, where is Heather? Heather is she's getting her hair did, so she's being fancy, and B, she rode one of these before, and she was like, nah, I don't need to. Like, I did it. She goes, I prefer my bike with clutch and gears. She goes, it just wasn't for me. And I was like, that's fair. So I actually brought my neighbor with me who's interested in one of these, but he hurt himself. So he's kind of down and out. He can't really do a whole lot of, you know, he's afraid if he puts his leg down, he's going to drop the bike because his leg's kind of hurt and he's in physical therapy for some stuff. So I get it. I was like, yeah, we're good. Like, I'll ride for you, buddy, no problem. But he didn't even sign up for it. He just came with me to see, and we rode in his car. So you get no bike, no nothing else. That's it. That's a 0 SRS 14.4. And I'll get a picture of the bike when I get off it. Show you guys what we're riding exactly.
Oh, yeah.